Strategy process, as Professor Rauf told you, research, read about your topic, read from high topic, from high journal. Once get 1 or 2 or 3 ideas, or if you master, ask PhD, or PhD ask postdoc, ask professor, something like this. So trust me, after follow this instruction, you will select the top. Okay?
Affiliation. Not we will support us with every aspect. So we have to get this support from our junior.
We publish papers based on the major field we are studying in. But is it possible for you to publish a paper or write a thesis outside your major? Just for exploration, or you want to try something new aside your major, so you want your thesis or maybe a paper to be published on that thing, which is way out of your major.
Thank you. So, to be precise, one man having lots of skill does not have any deep skill. And one person had one deep skill, that is enough. To be answered like, if you are not well enough in your major, then you cannot contribute to other major. Don't think like, my.
So, different persons for, if I'm working on research papers, want to use new results and new ideas. But sometimes it's really hard to achieve. If I'm interested in the field of artificial supervision, you must support your theoretical idea or simulation by experiment. You can publish experimental alone, but cannot for my experience. Publish.
I place your name as a first author. So then he said me, why you keep my name there? Just take off. And I said, why? And he said, if you want to place my name, then you have to
publish literature, read them, and produce something new. Like how you can add some value, which I normally do. So in this way, you can handle that problem.
Affiliation. Not we will support us with every aspect. So we have to get this support from our junior.
Strategy process, as Professor Rauf told you, research, read about your topic, read from high topic, from high journal. Once get 1 or 2 or 3 ideas, or if you master, ask PhD, or PhD ask postdoc, ask professor, something like this. So trust me, after follow this instruction, you will select the top. Okay? Accept or not project, but simply from my experience or my supervisor experience.
Okay, right now we're going to the next